Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming compatibility and gathering what you need. Plug a certified Lightning cable into the car's CarPlay USB. Make sure your iPhone runs iOS 13 or later, and that Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are turned on. Once connected, unlock your phone and accept any trust prompts. This lets the head unit detect CarPlay. If pairing prompts appear on the screen, follow them now. Keep the cable secure and avoid quick disconnects, so the system registers the connection reliably. Once CarPlay appears on the Maruti display, choose it and allow the system to access contacts and messages so Siri can work hands-free. You will want to open settings on your iPhone, tap General then CarPlay, select your car, and customize the app layout so navigation and music are front and center. Make sure Siri is enabled and set announce calls if you want voice prompts. If audio routing seems wrong, double-check Bluetooth versus USB audio selection in the car settings. You finish by testing key functions. Ask Siri for directions, play music, and make a hands-free call to ensure everything responds. If CarPlay won't connect, unplug and replug the cable, try a different certified Lightning cable, and reboot both the phone and the infotainment system. That resolves most problems. If issues persist, reset network settings on the iPhone as a last resort, but be aware this removes saved Wi-Fi passwords. Once done, you're ready to use CarPlay safely while driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.